Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best chain stitch embroidery machines available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have Brother Chain Stitch Embroidery Machine. The HC1850 includes 130 sewing stitches including 8 styles of auto-size buttonholes, plus 55 alphanumeric sewing stitches. This sewing and quilting machine includes an advanced needle threading function that easily pushes thread through the needle with the press of a lever and a jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin. The HC1850 quilting and sewing machine includes a white table, 8-feet instructional DVD manual and more. You can easily select your stitches with the touch of a button and view your selections on the LCD display. The HC1850 quilting and sewing machine comes with Brother. At number 6 we have SINGER Chain Stitch Embroidery Machine. The SINGER 14T968 DC Serger machine has 2-3-4-5 thread capability, providing a wide selection of stitch options for all types of projects with professional results every time. The SINGER Serger has a self-adjusting tension system. You can simply turn a dial to select the chart, and the tension settings for that stitch are adjusted automatically. The SINGER Professional Serger has a maximum sewing speed of 1,300 stitches per minute, so projects can be sewn quickly. The SINGER Professional 5 sewing machine converting to the rolled hem sewing mode is effortless. The SINGER Professional 5 Serger has a wide range of stitch options for sewing seams, hems, decorative edges, rolled hems, cover hems and more. At number 5 we have Juki Chain Stitch Embroidery Machine. The new Juki TL2010Q is a high-performance sewing and quilting machine. The machine is equipped with an automatic thread trimming device that simultaneously trims the needle and bobbin threads at the sewing end by lightly pressing the push button. The knee lifter lever allows you to lift/lower the presser foot without using your hands. The presser foot can be raised as high as 12 mm, so that light to heavyweight materials is easily handled in and out of the sewing area with ease. The push lever automatic needle threader easily threads the needle without eye strain and allows you to start sewing quickly. At number 4 we have Genome Chain Stitch Embroidery Machine. The Genome quilting and sewing machine is loaded with features that simplify the sewing and quilting. It includes 55 alphanumeric sewing stitches for basic monogramming, a built-in stitch reference flip chart, 8 presser feet, a push-button stitch selector, adjustable sewing speeds, an automatic threading system, a detachable foot controller, and an exceptional feed system for sewing on almost any fabric. This machine is enhanced with specialty quilting features, including a detachable wide table, a spring-action quilting foot, and the ability to do free motion quilting. At number 3 we have Juki Chain Stitch Embroidery Machine. The 3 and 4 thread cover stitch is perfect for various applications, such as hem, sleeve, cuffs and necklines. It is perfect for handling many fabrics like knits, wovens and other texturally varied fabrics. This machine is a great tool to have in your arsenal. The lower looper threader disengages for fast, easy looper threading, in seconds. You can adjust the differential feed to sew beautiful finishes. This includes stretch fabrics, such as knits and georgette. The presser foot is higher on its tip to allow the fabric to easily be inserted at the start of sewing. In addition, raising the foot lifter allows for 8 mm and 10 mm of space to easily insert even a thick layer of fabric. At number 1 we have Brother Chain Stitch Embroidery Machine. The Brother Design EODZ 1234 is a durable 3-4 thread serger made with a metal frame. It is a high-performance 3-4 thread serger with an adjustable stitch width between 3.0 mm to 7.0 mm, allowing you to select the right stitch width for your project. You can create more in less time with the DZ1234's fast stitching speed of up to 1,300 stitches per minute. It is easy to use with color-coded thread guides, numbered upper and lower thread loopers, included instructional video and printed manual. The DZ1234 comes with 3 accessory feet including blind hem stitch, gathering and piping feet in addition to 2 sets of starter thread. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best chain stitch embroidery machines for your need.